to HICM Institute. Let's understand how to make career in investment banking. Learn about financial modeling, a tool that's built in spreadsheet software such as MS Excel to forecast a business financial performance into the future. Learn about three offices such as front office, middle office and back office work. Learn about capital markets such as equities, derivatives, futures and options, swaps, IPO, bonds, fund accounting and mutual funds. At HICM Institute we have the certification programs for you such as investment banking, fund accountant and financial analyst. The duration of the course is 2 months in which 4 weeks of company internship will be provided. Online and offline classes are available. We have placed our students in world's best companies such as TCS, Wipro, JP Morgan, Accenture, Northern Trust, Goldman Sachs. Book your seat now. Download the brochure from the link below. Please subscribe, like and share our channel to help other students as well. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and connected.